Hey everyone, welcome back to the cleaning confab. Can't wait to jump into today's topic.
Me neither. So let's talk messy homes. We've all been there, right?
Oh, yeah, for sure. It's amazing how a cluttered space can affect my mood.
Tell me about it. Sometimes I walk into my living room and just feel overwhelmed.
Exactly. And it's not just about appearances, mess can really impact your relationships too.
Absolutely. My roommate and I used to argue all the time over who was supposed to do what.
Same here, the infamous dish wars, been there.
Uh, the struggle is real. And sometimes our cleaning routines just aren't cutting it.
Uh huh. I used to spend hours cleaning, but it never felt like I made a dent.
I know the feeling. But then I started exploring different cleaning methods.
Oh, like what?
Well, for starters, I switched to microfiber cloths. Game changer. It's very
I've heard about those. Are they really that good?
honestly, yes. They pick up dirt and dust so much better than regular cloths.
Interesting. I have to pick some up.
Definitely do. And you know what's also great? Steam cleaning.
I've been curious about that. Does it really sanitize surfaces?
It does. And the best part is, it doesn't require any harsh chemicals.
That's awesome. I'm always looking for ways to reduce chemical use,
Me too. Speaking of which, some cleaning products can be pretty harmful.
right? I worry about what I'm spraying around the house.
Exactly. That's why I've been experimenting with natural cleaners.
Oh, yeah? What have you tried?
Well, a simple mix of vinegar and water works wonders as an all purpose cleaner.
Really? Doesn't the vinegar smell linger?
Not for long, it dissipates quickly, and you can add essential oils to mask it.
Ah, good idea. I love lavender oil.
Me too, it adds a nice scent and some relaxant properties.
Uh,
And speaking of natural options, baking soda is amazing for tough stains.
I've used it on my oven before. Worked like a charm.
Exactly. And it's perfect for deodorizing carpets and upholstery.
I should try that. My couch could use a refresh.
Just sprinkle it on, let it sit, and vacuum it up.
Awesome. I'll give it a shot this weekend.
Great. Oh, have you heard about using lemon to clean cutting boards?
I have. The acidity helps disinfect, right?
Yes, and it leaves a fresh scent. Just be careful with surfaces that can be damaged by acid.
Good point. I'll keep it to cutting boards.
um, Probably safest. Hey, do you have any tips for windows? Mine always streak.
Funny you ask. I just started using newspaper instead of paper towels.
Wait, really? Newspaper?
Yep, it leaves the glass sparkling with no streaks.
That's wild. Won't the ink smear?
Surprisingly, no. Just make sure the paper isn't too wet.
I'll definitely try that. Thanks.
No problem. Do you ever feel like there's just too much to clean?
All the time. It's like a never ending battle.
Exactly. That's why I started making a cleaning schedule.
And how does that help?
It breaks down tasks into daily, weekly, and monthly chores. Makes it more manageable.
That's smart. I might have to make one myself.
And give it a go. It definitely reduces the overwhelm.
Oh, by the way, have you tried those robot vacuum cleaners?
I have. They're pretty handy for daily maintenance.
Do they really work though?
Well, they won't replace a deep clean, but they're great for keeping floors tidy.
Interesting. Might be worth investing in one.
Agreed. Anything to make life easier, right?
Absolutely. Speaking of which, any hacks for cleaning the microwave?
Ah, yes. Fill a bowl with water and a few slices of lemon. Microwave it for a few minutes.
And then,
The steam loosens the grime and you can just wipe it down.
oh, that's clever. And it probably smells nice too.
Exactly.
I'll have to remember that next time.
Cool. So, have you ever tried making your own laundry detergent?
I haven't ventured there yet. Is it hard?
Not at all. It's just washing soda, borax, and a grated bar of soap.
Sounds simple enough. Is it effective?
It works pretty well and it's gentler on clothes.
Nice. Plus, probably cheaper.
Definitely save some money.
I'll look up a recipe. Thanks for the suggestion.
Anytime. Sometimes I wish cleaning could just be more fun.
Totally get that. I try to turn it into a workout.
Really? How so?
Put on some upbeat music and really get into it. Squats while picking things up, lunges while vacuuming.
That's hilarious and efficient.
Hey, it's multitasking at its finest.
True. Maybe I'll give that a try.
Why not? Gets the job done and burns calories.
Win win. Do you have any tips for keeping the bathroom clean?
Yes, after showers, I quickly wipe down the walls with a squeegee.
Does that help?
It prevents soap scum and mildew buildup.
Makes sense. Less scrubbing later on.
Exactly. Future you will thank present you.
Ha ha's. I like the sound of that.
Thought you might. Any other areas you're struggling with?
Hmm. My fridge tends to get messy. Any advice?
Yes, use clear bins to organize items and always do a quick wipe before grocery shopping.
Yeah, that's smart. Keeps things from getting lost in the back.
Precisely. And labeling helps too.
Good idea. I'll try that out.
Awesome. Well, this has been a great chat.
Definitely. I have picked up so many new tips.
Me too. It's always fun exchanging ideas.
Agreed. So, should we wrap this up?
Yeah, let's do that. Any final thoughts for our listeners?
Just remember, cleaning doesn't have to be dreadful. Find ways to make it enjoyable.
Well said. And don't hesitate to share your own cleaning hacks with us.
Yes, we'd love to hear from you.
Thanks for joining us on the Cleaning Confab.
Until next time, happy cleaning.
Take care and keep those spaces sparkling.